Introducing FlowZone Concrete Plus heavy-duty battery-powered sprayers. Sprayers that get the job done. Powered by 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and construction-grade components, your job just got easier. Concrete Plus sprayers spray at the pull of a trigger with even and consistent spray patterns. No more stopping to manually pump. With 5 fixed dial positions, you can lock into any of 5 desired flow rates and pressure settings to control your output. Concrete Plus sprayers can apply construction-grade chemicals because they are designed with durable and rugged materials. Materials like UV-resistant nylon hoses, brass-quick connectors, stainless steel wands, and Viton seals. Spray chemicals like curing compounds, form oils, sealants, stains, retardants, pesticides, and more. Plus, the hose features a brass GHT connector that allows you to deliver water to cut saws and core drills so that your team stay OSHA Table 1 compliant. Suppress silica dust easily with only 1 worker. Available in 2.5, 4, and 9-gallon tank capacities, FlowZone Concrete sprayers will save your team's time and money by getting spraying jobs done 33% faster. Say goodbye to manual pumping with a Concrete Plus battery-powered sprayer today and dump the pump.